prepositions in, on, and at. In is used for seasons, months, and years. On is used for days, while at is used for time. Summer is a season. Right, the answer is in. In summer. Monday is a day. On Monday. How about 5 o'clock? Specific time. Time, use at 5 o'clock. 2024. Year, use in 2024. How about number 5? September. Month, in September. Number 6, winter. Season, use in winter. How about number 7? August 12, 1964. Prepositions of, in, at, and to. Number 1, I'm interested. Grammar. In, grammar. I'm afraid. Snakes. Of snakes. I'm bad. Cooking. At cooking. I'm proud. My kids. Of my kids. I'm addicted to books. I'm good. Mathematics. I'm good at mathematics. I'm looking at her. How about number 8? I'm not interested. Physics. Now this grammar review. I'm going to home. It's obviously incorrect. Remove the word to and just say alright, I'm going home. Next, I saw the news in the TV. It's incorrect. Remove the phrase in the and just replace it with the word on. I saw the news on TV. I'm in the bus is incorrect. On. I'm on the bus. I was born on 1995 is incorrect. Replace it with the word in. I was born in 1995. I'll see you on next Friday is incorrect. Remove the word on and just say I'll see you next Friday. How about this one? I'm waiting in the bus stop. Share your answer in the comments. These commonly confused English words. English grammar quiz number 1. She is sitting blank Alfred and Anna. Remember that we use the preposition between if something is in the middle of two persons or things. Meanwhile, we use among if something is in many, few, or in groups. She is sitting Alfred and Anna. Two persons between. She is sitting between Alfred and Anna. Let's have the next one. Anna stands blank his brother. A besides, B beside. Remember that besides with an S is tantamount to in addition or in addition to. Meanwhile, beside without an S is at the side of. Anna stands at the side of beside his brother. Number 3, I'll be right blank in 20 minutes. A there, B there. There with an I is a possessive adjective. Meanwhile, there, T-H-E-R-E, is an adverb of place. I will be there. Is it alumni, alumni, alumnus, or alumna? Number 1, Michael is son of the PMMA. Michael is singular, male. Alumnus, singular, male. Michael is an alumnus of the PMMA. Those women are the proud of the school. Those women, plural. Use alumni, plural, female. Number 3, she said that she is an of CNVHS. She said that she is of CNVHS. She, singular, female. Alumna. She said that she is an alumna of CNVHS. How about number 4? We are all proud to say that we are the alumni of the school.